a Lego Technic Ferrari 488 Pista Spyder. This is what it looks like. Suspension. There is full independent double wishbone suspension. There's 2 shocks and rubber bands per wheel. See it working here. This little panel here opens, like on the real car. On the real one you can see the engine through it, but not here. The hood can be opened using a power functions medium motor and a large linear actuator. You can see it there. It chained down to there. The roof is functional. Uses a power functions large motor. 2 doors can open at the same time using a power functions medium motor. Working windshield wipers using a power functions medium motor. A mechanism for that windshield wipers. The seats can be adjusted forward and backwards using a small linear actuator. See it sliding now. And there. And same for the other one as well. The interior has some detail, like a center console, an opening glove box, and a dashboard with a working steering wheel. The steering working. This flap here can be opened manually, which reveals the V8 piston engine. You can also see a bit more of the convertible roof mechanism. The car is driven by 4 XL motors, and thus is quite fast, especially because there's no gearbox. In fact, it's fast enough for me to take a driving video. The car is rear-wheel drive as well. Only rear-wheel drive. It was a bit of an experiment for me because it's not super functional like my other ones. I mean, it has a lot of functions, but they're not really complicated. There's no gearbox or anything, just a lot of opening stuff, really. It's really quite a fun model to have built because it's simple and fast, but it's not such a fun model to build because it's easy. I mean, I think I'll stick to making complicated ones, but this was fun to do. Convertible roof is especially fun, but the knob gear reinforcement is really not good at all. I don't think I can get it to work twice in a row. Originally, I had it as bevel gears until the last minute, and a nice bracing, but it was skipping, so I changed to this, which works, as long as it's not broken. I'm also glad to do a Ferrari, because even though it's one of the most well-known supercar brands, I haven't done one since, more than 2 years ago, and that was terrible, and I never posted it anywhere. See, I've never heard of it. The end.